So here we're going to talk a little bit about single SKU per location. So here, each one of these trays is a separate location, here under location A6 here in the warehouse. So here we can see we've got really small items in here. Tiny items, you don't need to take up a lot of space, and this is a really efficient way to not use too much square footage to store these. The key thing with single item per location is when it comes to picking, you'll scan this location, there can only ever be one item. There is no filtering through or rummaging through to find the right thing. So you're directed to this particular shelf, WA6F4, pick the item you need, put it into your trolley. Now, one of the most common things with single SKU per location as well is how do we put everything in here once it comes and goods in. That's where functions like put away work. So we know when a delivery comes in from a supplier, exactly where the item lives in the warehouse, and you can make sure it stays there. You're not forced into doing this, and you have the flexibility to split items over other locations too. You have full flexibility to utilize the space how you see fit for that particular moment in time. During peak you might change, during your quiet times you might change, but this is a really good way to utilize the square footage in your warehouse.